All right, this is going to be part 2 for the A level. And we'll do the interpretation here. You should already have the equation in. You should have it typed in, and you can see that the graphs here going through our scatter plot. So now we're going to do step 5, and we're going to use the maximum feature because we really want the x at the vertex to find the optimal driving speed. So in order to use that, instead of just estimating, some people like to move their cursor around. Please don't do that. Please don't just guess. Maybe on the ACT or SAT, you might be able to eliminate stuff like that. But on this test, you'll actually have to give me an exact value. So we're going to go to second and then calc, the button trace here. And I'm going to go to maximum because I want my maximum, which is actually our vertex. So it's asking us about left bound and right bound. So what we're basically going to tell the calculator is look between these two areas. And I want to make sure that the two areas that I pick are my maximums between them. So on the left, let's just go over here to like near 0. And then I'm going to keep going over here. I pressed enter. And then it asked me for the right bound. Now I'm going to press enter. I'm at like 95 or something. And press enter again. And it'd say, okay, you want me to look between here and here? And I say, yep, enter. All right, and there's my maximum. My x value, that's the one we want, 48.93. Let's go with that. Okay, that's my maximum. The next question is saying, asking for the x-intercepts. And the x-intercepts in this case are going to tell us our fuel efficiency at 0. So it's a break-even point. So I'm not being fuel efficient. I'm not being not fuel efficient, but it's at 0. So in order to do that, I need to know what my x-intercepts are. Again, you could estimate these, but we're going to calculate. So second and calc, and we're going to use this 0 function. And the 0 function just means, okay, let's look at the x-intercepts. And again, it's going to give you this left bound, right bound. And the reason this matters here is because I have to do it twice because I have 2 different x-intercepts. So I'm going to move my cursor over to the left, and I want between like here, I pressed enter, and you can see that little triangle pops up. And then I want it, I'll just go kind of close to the vertex, and I'll press enter there. That definitely is just that x-intercept that we're looking at. And it's saying, okay, you want to guess here? And I say, yep. So one of my x values is 5.52. So going 5.52 miles per hour is 0 fuel efficiency. And then I'm going to do it again, second and calc. And I'm going to go to 0. And this time I want to look at that x-intercept. So I'm going to start my left bound somewhere around the vertex, press enter, and then I'm going to keep toggling over till I pass it. And this is good. And press enter again. So again, you just want to check that the x-intercept you want is between these 2 boundaries. And it's saying, okay, is this what you want? And I say, yep. Press enter. And this one is 92.33. Okay, so this video hopefully showed you how to find the vertex values, and it also showed you how to find the x-intercepts.